Good morning students. Today we are starting question 6 of 11.3. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter lace cost rupees 15. Now you know that lace is to be put on the edge of circular cloth like this is circle and here we have to put a lace. Okay, now we have to calculate the boundary, that is perimeter, that is circumference of circle. Now, or circumference, here this is lace. Now you know, therefore length of lace required is equal to circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, and 2r means diameter, so pi d. I am writing by d because they have given diameter. Okay, now this is, they have given, take value of pi equal to 3.14 and diameter we know 1.5 meter. Now you can multiply, so you will get 4.71 meter. This is the length of the lace required. Now we have to calculate the cost of 1 meter lace is equal to rupees 15, and how much meter we want to buy? 3.71 meter lace. So what will be the cost? 15 into 4.71, that is rupees 70.65. Multiply and then put decimal, leaving two numbers. Okay. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is semicircle including its diameter. Now this we have to calculate the circumference, the perimeter of this figure. Now see student, this is 10 centimeter, that is diameter. Circle is as we have done in this is circle, and semicircle means this much, only half portion. So this portion means half of circumference, that is half into 2 pi r. This is the perimeter of semicircle, plus we have to add this also, means 10 centimeter, that is d. Okay, this diameter of circle also we have to add. So now putting the values, 1 by 2 into you may cancel, okay, 2 into 22 upon 7, that is value of pi. R is, if diameter is 10, so r will be 5, plus d means 10. Okay, now this is perimeter of complete figure, centimeter. Now 2 will cancel and calculate, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11, 110 by 7 plus 10, and on when you will add 110 plus taking LCM, so here when there is nothing in denominator it is 1, 7 will be your LCM, so 7 tens are 70. On adding you will get 180 upon 7, and 180 divided by 7, that is 7 to the 14, 25.7 centimeter approximately. So this will be the perimeter of your figure. Question 8. Find the cost of polishing circular table top of diameter this. A table is in a form of circle, top of the table, और diameter क्या है? 1.6 meter. If the rate of polishing is this. Now where we have to polish, like this circle is given, so whole will be painted, means the region will be painted, so we will find area. Now let this be the top of table, this is circle, and here we have to paint, so we have to find area. Therefore area of circular top, that is, what is the formula? Pi r square. Now pi 3.14 and radius they have given 1.6 diameter. So 1.6 by 2 will be radius, half of diameter. R square means 2 times. So on solving you will get 2.0096 meter square. And for cost of polishing 1 meter square, that is rupees 15, and our area to be polished is 2.0096 meter square. So you will multiply this value by 15, and on multiplying you will get rupees 30.144. So this will be the cost of polishing tabletop. Coming to question number 9. Chesley took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into a shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle, find its area. If that wire is bent to the shape of a sphere, then you have to find length of each side of sphere and which enclose more area, the circle or sphere. Now see, let this be the wire, okay, and its length is 44 centimeter. इस वायर को हमने टर्न करके what we have given shape of a circle. तो ये बाउंड्री बन गई. वायर जो थी ये 44, this is boundary of circle, that is circumference. Okay, हम therefore circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. You know what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r is equal to 44. So put the values 2, 22 upon 7, r we don't know, 44. Keep the r this side only, 44, 7 multiply हो जाएगा, 2 into 22 that is 44, कट जाएगा. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to find area also, pi r square. Now r we know 22 upon 7, r just we have found out 7 into 7, cancel, 22 into 7 that is 154, it is area, so centimeter square will be the area. अब इसी वायर को हमने स्क्वायर की शेप दे दी. दिस मीन्स दिस बाउंड्री इज सेम, 44 सेंटीमीटर की हमारी वायर थी, तो स्क्वायर की शेप दे दी, दैट इज पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 44 हो गया. बट फॉर्मूला इज, वट इज द फॉर्मूला? 4 इंटू साइड equals to 44. Side we want to find out, so bring 4 this side, divide हो जाएगा 11. So side is equal to 11 centimeter. अब उन्होंने पूछा which includes more area, so we will have to find area of square also. Area of square, what is the formula? Side into side, 11 into 11. 11 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 121 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. और सर्कल का एरिया 154. सो 154 इज मोर देन 121, देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज मोर. Question 10th. From circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles 3.5 centimeter के कट किए and length of this rectangle is 3 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Now you have to find the area of remaining sheet. This colored portion purple you have to find out. तो हम पूरी शीट का एरिया हमें पता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, आर वी ऑल्सो नो 14 सेंटीमीटर. उनमें से हम क्या माइनस करेंगे? दीज टू स्मॉल सर्कल्स, ये कट करने हैं, और दिस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ, ये हम माइनस करेंगे. देन वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग शीट. सो एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग शीट विल बी, ये जो रिमेनिंग शीट है that is purple color in your book, this shaded portion, area of circular sheet, और इसमें से हम टू सर्कल्स का एरिया और एक रेक्टेंगल का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे। मैंने बड़े का रेडियस क्या लिया है, आर स्क्र, पाई आर स्क्र माइनस 2 इंटू पाई आर स्क्र, वाई बिकॉज देयर आर टू स्मॉल सर्कल्स, माइनस प्लस ये दो का एरिया, रेक्टेंगल का एरिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ। नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज, पाई यू नो दैट इज 22/7, रेडियस 14 है बड़े सर्कल की, सो 14 इंटू 14। ओके, नाउ माइनस this 2 into pi 22/7, and radius of two small circles is given to be 3.5, so 3.5 into 3.5 plus length into breadth, that is 3 1s are 3. This we have to subtract. On solving you will get greater area, circle बड़े वाले का एरिया 616, स्मॉल टू सर्कल्स का एरिया 77 और लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 3. सो यू विल गेट 616 77 प्लस 3 दैट इज 80, एरिया है सो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड when you will subtract you will get 536 centimeter square. So up to question number 10 today you have to complete. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.